Okay, hello dear friends. One friend asked me how I made this. So for this flower, you will need 6, maybe 5, 6, 7 origami papers, square papers. You can use one color, 2 colors, 3 colors, or different random color or recycled paper as long as they are square. And you will need a glue stick, and you will need a pin to make you easy to work it. So let's start to do it. The smaller paper, the flower, is more cute and cuter and fun. The larger paper is easy to see, so I am using the large paper to make a demonstration. Let's go. Okay, so this is a color paper. I want to make a color taco. And then the 2 legs, one lift up, right in the center, tip to the top. On the left side, the same thing, tip top, and pull it down. Then from the same point, we fold one more time. Open it up. Then the paper has a memory. We press this one in. That's it. You can flip it this way, and I would like to flip it inside and do the same thing to the left side. Open up, press it, and then tuck it back in. Okay, so we are come to this stage. This one fold in, and this one fold in. It becomes square again, and this time we use a glue stick only here. Glue it and press it. In class, I let the students to press it, count to 30. Well, if you are not a teacher, you may have a tool to help you. Put it aside, and you do 6 of it all together. 1, 2, 2 of it, right? At the same time, I can do the same thing. Press. These 2 connect together. Connect them together, and then adding another one. Just do it like this for now. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. Now what we will do, wait for a moment, and we can scrape it off the excess glue. Not looking good. And open it up, and then we will put the last one, flip it here, and this is the time we will really hold it for very long time. If I have a pin, I will use a pin. I do not have, and usually I will tell students to press it for 30, and you can adjust a little bit. If you have the same color of paper, it might be more interesting. This can be used by newspaper, by recycled magazine paper. You can find use of different kind of paper. You can roll it a little bit. A little bit in. Let's see if we roll it a little bit outward. No, we will just roll it a little bit inward. So they are parallel. All of them are the same hierarchy. So you can use 5. The flower will be quite tight, and 6, 7, 8, or other number of color. You can use 1 color of petal, 2 colors alternating, 3 colors, or different colors. So that is it.